Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm reviewing what I genuinely consider to be one of the most reliable Starlink mini car adapters on the market right now. The STARGEAR 12 volt to 24 volt DC step-up converter. And if you own a Starlink Mini, this is a review you really want to pay attention to. Because the biggest limitation of the Starlink Mini isn't speed. It isn't coverage. It isn't performance. It's power. Like I've mentioned in many of my previous videos, the one thing that prevents the Starlink Mini from fully delivering on its portable internet promise is this. It does not have a built-in battery, and that becomes obvious the moment you unbox it. For a device advertised as portable satellite internet that works anywhere on Earth, you naturally expect it to include internal battery support, but it doesn't, which means in real-world situations, camping, RV travel, hunting trips, road trips, emergency power outages, the Starlink Mini becomes unusable unless you have external power. And here's the important part. The Mini was specifically designed for mobility, but without proper voltage supply, mobility becomes limited. That's why choosing the right power solution is critical, not optional. Why generic car adapters fail? Here's where most people make a mistake. They assume it's just power. Any adapter will work. That's not true. According to Starlink documentation, the Starlink Mini requires around 21 volts minimum to operate smoothly. But here's the problem. Most vehicle cigarette lighter ports supply 12 volts. Generic adapters often don't boost voltage high enough, fluctuate under load, drop voltage during engine start, can't handle longer cable runs. And what happens when voltage drops below required levels? The dish reboots. The signal disconnects. The system cycles repeatedly, and users think something is wrong with Starlink, when the real problem is unstable power delivery. Why STARGEAR actually works. The STARGEAR adapter solves this properly, not halfway. It boosts 12-volt vehicle power up to a stable 24-volt or 60-watt output. That gives the Mini more than enough headroom above its minimum requirement. And that extra headroom matters, because vehicle voltage fluctuates constantly. When starting the engine, when headlights turn on, when AC kicks in, when batteries drop to 12.4 volts or lower. This adapter maintains output stability even during those fluctuations. That's why users report, no more random restarts, no more brownouts, no more cycling. Stable performance while driving. This isn't just marketing, it's proper voltage engineering. Real-world proof. This adapter has been tested in cars, RVs, travel trailers, boats, yachts, Jackery 12-volt power stations, remote campsites, cross-country road trips, and the pattern and feedback is consistent. Stable 24-volt output. No signal drops, no interference, no overheating. One user even said, "My system quit rebooting after I installed this." That's extremely important, because rebooting is the #1 complaint from users using weak converters. Another user mentioned, "Finally one that works while driving down the road." That tells you everything. Driving creates voltage instability. If it works while driving, it's doing its job correctly. Heat and build quality. Power conversion generates heat. And excessive heat means inefficiency, or poor design. What stands out about the STARGEAR adapter is this. It runs cool, even after hours of continuous use. That indicates efficient voltage conversion and good internal components. Build-wise, it fits tightly in the 12-volt port, doesn't wiggle loose on rough roads, has solid housing, has proper cable strain relief, uses quality internal copper cores, includes triple protection, short circuit, overheat, overcurrent. This isn't a cheaply assembled step-up converter. It feels purpose-built. Cable compatibility. Another big advantage, it supports the official 15M Starlink barrel-to-barrel cable. That's important, because longer cable runs cause voltage drop, and weaker adapters can't compensate for that. This one can. Important note, it does not properly support the 30 meters or 98 feet cable. That's not a flaw. That's physics. Longer cable leads to more resistance. Hence, it's advisable to stick with the 15-meter cable for best performance. If you want a cleaner vehicle setup, a 6-foot barrel cable works great too. Honest limitation. Now, let's be transparent. This adapter does not include USB-C charging ports. It occupies your cigarette lighter socket. If you need to charge your phone and laptop simultaneously, you may prefer a dual output model. But here's the thing. Adding USB ports often means splitting available power, and splitting power can reduce stability. This adapter is focused on doing one thing extremely well, powering your Starlink Mini reliably, and it does exactly that. Who this is perfect for. This adapter makes sense if you travel long distances, live the RV or van life, camp off-grid, hunt in remote areas, work in low signal zones, need reliable internet during road trips, use Starlink Mini as mobile office internet. If mobile connectivity matters to you, stable voltage matters even more. Final verdict. If you're serious about using the Starlink Mini in a vehicle, you need proper voltage conversion, not guesswork, not trial and error adapters. The STARGEAR 12-volt to 24-volt adapter delivers correct voltage, stable performance, cool operation, official cable compatibility, protection features, reliable mobile use. Unless you absolutely need USB-C ports, this is one of the safest and most reliable car power solutions for Starlink Mini available today. It's simple, it's stable, and it works exactly as advertised, giving you peace of mind when you're relying on internet in remote areas. Personally, I'm very happy with this 12-volt to 24-volt step-up adapter. I can plug the official 15-meter cable straight into it, and my Starlink stays online, even when I stop for fuel or drive through voltage fluctuations. If you want to check it out, I've left the link in the description below. If this review helped you make a better decision, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more Starlink reviews and tutorials, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.